Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As the title suggests, we're going to do an unboxing from Coach. And no, you're not going to see me because I look crazy right now, in dire need of a maintenance. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So I went into Coach after thinking about this bag for more than a year and have been seeing more and more outfits that I'm like, oh, I have that. This bag would go perfectly with it. So after contemplating for more than a year, we finally got the Coach Lana 23 in the stone color. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she gorgeous? So beautiful. And Coach has a lot of stuffing that keeps the bag in shape, keeps it well protected. So yeah, here you'll see me just really struggling to unbox. So it comes with a crossbody strap that's pretty long and it has many adjustable holes for it. It also has that middle pocket where you can put your prized possession. It has a magnetic closure. And then I got mine hot stamped with a little crown and a Y for my first name, Yumani. So yeah, there she is in all her beautiful glory. And the leather is so soft and nice. So beautiful. So like the girly girl I am, I of course needed some accessories for my Coach bag, and I was not about to pay Coach prices honestly for some keychains. I wasn't. So here I have a chain. It's one of those rustic ones. All these accessories I got from Amazon. I'm saying all these like as many. It's only two. So I got this chain from Amazon. I'll link it down below. I think it was like $10. And then I had some TikTok inspiration. So I just hung her like how I thought I've seen it hung, basically. And yeah. I also got me, the signature, the beautiful, the wonderful, the one and only cherry, the red cherry. But I was not about to pay $95 for it. It's beautiful in the store and everything, but I was not willing to pay $95 on the $3.95 plus tax that I just spent. Ain't no way, not in this economy. So I went and got me a nice $7 one on Amazon. And it also had my initial on there. I don't know why I was so obsessed with my initials this time around buying bags. Because I've had bags before that I could have gotten hot stamped and decorated and all that stuff. So I guess I too was influenced in getting things monogrammed and hot stamped and all the things and decorating a bag with a bunch of keychains. I feel like I am back in almost like primary or elementary for you Americans, and high school where you decorate your bag, you get all these nice keychains and all that. It's like, bringing out your inner child. I really like that. I really love how the bag looks. Look at it now, so chic, so me, so fine, fire like her mama. So yeah, of course I had to see if my everyday necessities fit. So I put my phone in there. What else did I put in there? My wallet, I think my lip gloss, a fan. I think the only thing I didn't get to put in there, my AirPods. I think one of the only things I didn't get to put in there is like my hand sanitizer. I don't know if it made it in there, but you get the gist of it all. It literally can hold quite a bit. I did not fill it to the brim because what I'm putting here and showing you is literally what I go around with. So yeah, as you can see, there's lots and lots of room. There's nothing in that middle pocket at the moment when I'm showing you this to you. So you do the math, girl. You do the math. And that brings us to the end. This was T. Clock it. Beautiful bag. Bye.